Hi everyone, I'm Nash Moa, the Scientific Program Chair for this year's meeting. I am so excited to invite you to the 55th AAGL Global Congress of MIGS. It will be in Boston, Massachusetts, November 13 through 16 at the Heinz Convention Center. I can't wait to welcome you there. Boston is the perfect city for this year's Congress, full of history, culture, world-class medicine, and that amazing energy of innovation. You will feel it the moment you arrive. Get ready for a cutting-edge scientific program. New data, breakthrough techniques will also feature dynamic keynote speakers and expanded exhibit hall, where you can see the latest technologies shaping the future of minimally invasive GYN surgery. So mark your calendars now and join us in Boston for an unforgettable Congress that's truly going to shape the future of women's health. See you in Boston.